Welcome to Fake It Till You Make It.
On this episode, we're going to be crafting with shaving cream.
Let's craft.
This is so stupid.
We actually don't have a project. We're just gonna shave Paul's beard. We're gonna marble paper, and you can make cards, you could do envelopes, you could do scrapbooking embellishments. Anything that involves paper, you can marble it. Yeah.
Could you do paper airplanes?
You sure could.
Wow.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, shoot. Here's what you need.
A baking dish,
Foam shaving cream,
gel food coloring,
heavyweight paper,
some kind of stick,
ruler,
rubber spatula,
gloves,
paper towel,
address stamp.
washi or painter's tape. Wow!
I've been doing magic on the side.
Nice.
Spray some in here.
I'm gonna do about 2 cups of foam.
Basically cover the bottom of it. We're gonna smooth this out.
This is like we're making a cake or something.
Toiletry
cake. And we'll do a nice shampoo drizzle after this.
Make sure you have lots of paper towel on hand because this gets messy. Sometimes crafting gets messy. Hey, I also have this little pan nearby just to like wipe shaving cream.
Like that?
Now I have some gel food coloring. And what we're gonna do is do a few drops. I like to start with like 2 colors and then you can add more as we go. So do a few drops, kind of spread it around. I think that's good. That's good. And I'm gonna add some yellow. You just need some sort of stick. So you don't want to mix it too much. Just go, Now this is heavyweight cardstock. Needs to be a little thicker because otherwise it'll kind of get a little schmutzy, you know?
Schmutzy.
Schmutzy. All right, and then you're just gonna place it on here, push down, make sure it's all covered, lift it off.
Ooh, and you're done.
Not yet. And I have this plastic ruler.
Wow.
Take a look at that. Let it dry a little bit and then put something heavy to flatten it out. Wanna try your hand at it?
Yeah, I'll give it a go. Now, may I add another color?
Oh, yeah, go for it.
All right. Oh, we were supposed to use gloves.
Oops.
Wow. Amateurs. So Kaitlyn didn't point this out, but dye will also dye your hands.
You know what?
So you should really wear gloves. Feels very medical.
Big one.
I'm gonna do a full sheet because I'm not scared. Oh yeah, I was gonna add a color. So as the victim was impacted, went like that.
Making a murderer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that is lovely.
You notice the colors kind of like to meet each other and make new colors.
You know, that's just the beauty of
colors.
The color wheel. You don't want to mix it too much.
So I like to gently place it.
I didn't gently place it. Squish it in there. Okay, okay, okay. Oh dear.
Oh.
Okay, maybe just lay it flat first.
Oh, that's a good call. We have gloves. Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that.
Looks like I'm going to a Phish concert. Didn't really get the edges, but I think the middle makes up for it.
I mean, you could always cut it.
I call this one Frolicking in the Woods.
I call this
Mustard stains.
Perfection. Mustard.
So we're gonna wait a little bit of time to let that dry.
Oh.
Gosh, Kaitlyn.
How is that my fault? We laid these flat with something heavy over it to dry. And then you could do envelopes like this. I had taped this off with washi tape so that when I like dip it, that it doesn't get dye on the parts that I don't want it to. So washi tape, fun fact, is that you can peel it off and it doesn't wreck the paper. You could also use like painter's tape. That one just seems like a little too
Kaitlyn has a thing against painter's tape.
And then there you go. Complete it with a little address stamp.
I mean, we...
Oops.
No, we gotta see this one.
Just relax. There we go.
I mean, we had to show off a stamp at some point.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what is this? John and Kaitlyn. Ooh.
It was just a stock name, okay? Don't get your panties in a bunch.
All right.
Okay, and then...
I'm kind of embarrassed by mine.
You don't want to use yours?
We can, it's just, all right.
It's nice, it's colorful. And then you can pop it in one of these handy dandy...
May I?
Did that hurt?
No, not yet.
Cute little tag. And you can like back that with something, punch a little hole in it. Oh, you could do envelope liners. Check out the blog for how to do that. You guys should make some and then show us.
I thought of a giveaway idea. What? We give away a stamp for someone who does this.
Here's what we're gonna do, guys. Take a picture of your marbling art, then tag us. You can tag us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. And then Paul and I will pick our fave. We'll give the winner an address stamp, or Mark's address stamp, whatever design you want.
I mean, we set the bar pretty low, so thanks for watching this project. We can't wait to see your beautiful submissions. We'll see you next time on Fake It Till You Make It.